Hey there, aspiring entrepreneurs. Have you ever wondered how to create a steady stream of income from anywhere in the world? Today, I'm diving into residual affiliate marketing, a game changer that's helping tons of people supplement or even replace their income. So, what exactly is residual affiliate marketing? Well, it's like traditional affiliate marketing, but with a twist. Instead of just getting a one-time commission, you earn residual income. That means continuous earnings from a single effort. Imagine getting paid over and over again for work you did once. Sounds pretty cool, right? Now you might be thinking, do I need special skills? Nope. If you can use Google or watch a YouTube tutorial, you're set. There are countless resources to help you learn the ropes. Trust me, if you've ever copied and pasted, you can do this. Let's talk flexibility. Want to work from home, at the beach, or even while traveling? Residual affiliate marketing gives you the freedom to work wherever you have internet. No more 9-to-5 grind. You set your own hours and work at your own pace. But wait, there's more. Imagine having access to training, support, and a community of like-minded individuals all working towards the same goal. That's what you'll find here. Our performance blogging system, or PBS, is the hub of our business. It's designed to help you succeed quickly. Concerned about getting started? No worries. We've got 3 awesome programs, and you can choose one or dive into all 3. The choice is yours. And the best part, you'll get all the information you need to make the right decision for yourself. Ready to take the next step? Simply reach out to us. We'll answer your questions and get you started. You'll gain access to our incredible community and the tools you need to succeed. We're all about building each other up and achieving our dreams together. Oh, and don't forget to check out Marketing is Freedom by Rory Rickard. It's packed with insights and strategies to help you understand the different aspects of marketing. Use the coupon code FREEDOM to get the ebook for free, or 7 Gone Calves for a free audiobook. So, what are you waiting for? If you're ready to create time and financial freedom, residual affiliate marketing is the way to go. Join us and let's build a better future together. Nothing is quite like this. Nothing. Thanks for watching, and let's make it happen.